Hello everyone and good morning. I'm Rose Jacobs live from the Kalkine studio in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. Getting started this morning with our market open report. The S&P ASX 200 is up today, gaining 0.20% despite crossing below its 125-day moving average. The top performing stocks in this index are Novonix up 6.85% and Amcor up by 6.69%. Over the last 5 days, the index has lost 0.51% and 3.15% over the last 52 weeks. Let's take a look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session of the ASX. Perenti Global announced the continuation of its capital management and rationalisation activities with the successful divestment of 100% of its equity holding in Chrysos Corporation and its subsidiary onshore oil and gas equipment supplier Well Control Solutions. As announced on the 4th of April 2022, Perenti entered into a sale implementation deed to sell up to 100% of its shares in Chrysos through the initial public offering of the business. The Chrysos initial public offering process has now concluded, with Perenti successfully selling its entire holding of Chrysos shares at a price of $6.50 per share, delivering a cash inflow to the group of $46.3 million before fees and costs. Moving on, QBE Insurance Group gave a performance update to the market. QBE currently estimates that crop gross written premium will be $3.3 billion in financial year 2022, a significant increase from $2.7 billion in financial year 21. At this increased size, QBE has placed an external quota share on the 2022 underwriting year to manage net retention, and crop net earned premium is expected to be $1.3 to $1.4 billion in financial year 2022 from $1.2 billion in financial year 2021. QBE has entered into a transaction to reinsure legacy North American excess and surplus lines prior accident year liabilities. Next, Flight Centre, Goldman Travel and the Spencer Group have today launched an innovative new joint venture focused on premium and business travel. The high-profile Australian travel industry businesses have joined forces to create Link Travel Group, an invitation-only members group dedicated to partnering with high-quality travel companies to provide an innovative and compelling offering via travel supply, technology and business operations. The Link aims to work closely with carefully selected independent travel businesses who are highly regarded in the premium leisure and corporate travel sector in Australia. And moving along, according to AMP's most recent report, the company lost $1.3 billion in customer outflows from its Australian wealth management division in the March quarter, compared to $2 billion redeemed by clients in the same period of last year. The outflows, combined with weaker equity markets, weighed on the unit's asset under management, which dropped to $136.5 billion for the quarter, down from $142.3 billion in the previous quarter. And lastly, Qantas Airways announced today that it will acquire the remaining 80% ownership in Alliance Aviation Services in an all-stock transaction for $610.8 million Australian dollars, and that's to grow its charter operations. Well, that's all for now on the early trades, but stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you for sharing live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. I'm Rose Jacobs, signing off for now.